Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to change iPhone font style. It's really simple and easy. For this, you have to download an application from your app store. So just go to your app store and simply search for the fonts in the search bar. Just download this application. As you can see, 4.5 is the rating here and I just downloaded it. Now I have to show you and open it because you have to change some settings in this one. So after downloading, just simply tap on this open here. So you will see this kind of interface. Just simply tap on this get started, accept all and continue. Then go for this next, next and next. And now you can see you have to allow full access to this. So just simply tap on this add now. Go to your keyboard here and toggle this on fonts and simply toggle this on allow full access. Again you have to confirm it. Now if you go back here, there is no other way though besides using an app like this to change the font style. Now as you can see, they have a paid upgrade, but I'm going to press X right here to skip that. I'm just going to use free one right here. Now you can see there are a lot of fonts here. You can select anyone. Just simply tap on this copy. And then you can also choose the themes here. And then there are some stickers as well if you want to add, as you can see here. If you go into your text message, now I just have to press this globe icon here and you will see my keyboard has been changed. As you can see, now it's changed. Now if I type something, you can see I can select the fonts here. These are some fonts I can select. Some of them will be paid, but some of them will be free. So just select your font here. As you can see, there is much difference between this one and the previous one. So that's how you can change iPhone font style here. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.